Hey guys, so today we're going to look at the warm-up from Monday, August 31st, and it covered the topic approximating the square roots and locating them on the number line, which was topic 8.2b. And we're going to go over question number 1 first. It says, which point below is the best estimate of the square root of 5? Okay, so the first things first, guys, is we want to look at this number line and we want to notice that the numbers on this number line are 2 and 3. Okay, so our square root of 5 has to fall between 2 and 3. If we look at point B, it's directly halfway between 2 and 3, which is 2.5. Okay, let me change this a little bit. Okay, and so then we just need to figure out point A and point C, and then we need to see which one is closest or approximately the square root of 5. So the quickest way to do that is, guys, to just put it in your calculator. I have mine pulled up right here. So on my calculator and on yours, you're going to hit second, the little squared button to get the square root symbol, 5, and enter. And if I get 2 and 23 hundredths and so on. So I'm just going to round that to the tenths place. So I'm just going to say 2 and 2/10. So the square root of 5, I'm going to write that down here, is approximately or equivalent approximately 2 and 2/10. Okay, so I need to figure out, obviously, if we're looking at point B, guys, and we said that that's 2.5, we can automatically eliminate that because it's too large. Okay, and if B is too large, then point C is definitely greater than 2 and 2/10. Okay, so our only option that we're really left with is point A, which is right here close to 2. And again, 2 and 2/10 is just a little bit more than 2. So here, point A is the best approximation for the square root of 5. Okay, so let's move over to question number 2. I'm going to clear my board here. Erase all of this. All right, and moving on to question number 2. Okay, so question number 2, it says, which value below could best represent the point on the number line? So here it's kind of giving us the opposite situation. We're given a point on the number line and we're asked which number could best represent that point. Okay, and again, the important thing is to notice what numbers are actually on our number line. Here, if you notice, we are between 8 and 9. So our A, B, and C, our answers have to fall between 8 and 9. If we look at our point, we could also see that it's almost about halfway, if not exactly halfway between 8 and 9. And halfway between 8 and 9, we should know is 8.5. Okay, so we just need to figure out which of these options, A, B, or C, is as close to 8.5 as possible. So again, we're going to go to our calculator, okay, and I'm going to put in each one of these and see which one we can get closest to 8.5. So A, the square root of 80, I'm going to put in my calculator, is 8 and 9/10. So I'm just going to round that, so 8 and 9/10. Okay, the square root of 72, and we get 8 and 48 hundredths. Okay, so we can round that to 8 and 5/10. And again, I still want to make sure that I'm doing all 3 answer options. The square root of 67, and I get 8 and 2/10 if I'm going to round that to the tenths place. Okay, so again, let's go back and see which one of our answers matches where our point is located on the number line. So again, we wanted a point that was close to or about 8.5. And if we notice, the option that gives us that is option B, the square root of 72. Okay, so the point that's best represented on this number line is the square root of 72. So hopefully, guys, this will help you on tomorrow's warm-up. If not, send me a message. Make sure you're using your calculators. Again, make sure you're also going through the assignments And there's a mixed review in the Get More Math where it just covered all the topics that we've done so far. And again, that should get you ready for our first quiz come the end of the week. All right, guys, have a good day.